So hello guys, so this video is I'm trying to explain you about VMware, and I'm trying to explain you how you able to install that Linux system in your PC. So everything will be this video will be very helpful for that beginners who are trying to trying to understand the basic functionality of that our system. Okay, so before starting that one, I have to make sure that your knowledge will be start from beginning itself. Okay, so how can I approach that? So I try to go through some concept. So first concept is called hypervisor. Okay, so what is that hypervisor? Hypervisor is like an virtual machine or VM, or is this like an virtualizer. Through that one you can make a system inside your system. Like, see, this is that one hypervisor software. So through that one I can try to use that my Linux, okay, inside my Windows. Okay, like lots of ways also doing that one. Like in that current market there Docker is there. Okay, so lots of things I'll be I'll be telling you like how you can do install the Docker, how can you run the Docker in your system also. Don't worry for that one, but this video is only for that beginning level. So hypervisor actually have two types. One is type 1, another is type 2. So what is type 1 actually? See, you have some kind of hardware, right? That hardware actually have some kind of RAM, processor, hard disk also there. So instead of using that OS, you directly install that hypervisor software there itself, and then you can install that multiple OS for that one. So this configuration, the type 1 configuration, is pretty well used in that every industry in that IT sector. Okay, another thing is type 2. Type 2 is like, this is my laptop, this is type 2 hypervisor. In that laptop I have already have that software that is called Windows 11, right? Now that ways, now I am trying to what I have done, I have installed that one hypervisor software there, like this VirtualBox or VMware, and then I am trying to install that another OS like that Linux. I have two OS, one is Windows 10, another is Linux. So this is called type 2 type of hypervisor. Now how can you install that Linux in your Windows system? There are total two ways are there. Okay, so one way is like through hypervisor, another way is like that Windows, you can install that Ubuntu through that your subsystem of Windows. Okay, so subsystem for Linux, that is one Windows feature. Through that one you can install that Linux WSL2. so you can go through the documents from Microsoft itself, and you get to know how to do this one, how to install that one. Everything is they have explained in a very elaborative way. Okay, now thing is first, like how can you do this one? So you have to visit that ubuntu.com. In Ubuntu, then this is that our Ubuntu, right? So this Ubuntu section, we have like lots of things are there, but our main concern is this download section. Here we have to click on that Ubuntu desktop. See, here lots of Ubuntu things also there, like IoT, for cloud, for server. Okay, but our concern is like that Ubuntu desktop. And if I click on this download link, then I have two download option. So if I click on the download Ubuntu desktop, then here two options are there. One is like one light version, Ubuntu Lite, another is Ubuntu deep Ubuntu version, and both are free actually. So if you click on download, it will be downloaded, and I already have downloaded, and it will be this folder actually. This folder is like Ubuntu ISO folder, and it should be working in AMD64 architecture. Okay, now this software, how can you install that Ubuntu? So you can try to click on that new, you can define that name, you can use that your folder, and then you have to select that ISO image, and then you have to select the type, what kind of type you are doing. name like Ubuntu, okay, or Ubuntu, and then I need to select that my folder and to select that ISO image. So I already had ISO image previously. I'm selecting that ISO image, then it will automatically takes that my type and my Ubuntu version. And if I click on next here, like it will shows that this one. Click on next again. I need to select that hardware specifications, like what kind of RAM I need to provide, how many processor cores I have to provide. So I have like 8 core like CPU, so I can select that core like that, this one. And this green and red line, that is actually a kind of parameter. Through that one you can define like, is it this thing, this virtual machine is affect your physical system or not. Okay, now click on next, and I need to select that my virtual disk size, and I have to select that next. And if I select that finish, then one virtual machine should open. Like I'll show you. See, this is my virtual Ubuntu machine. If I select that start, so like it will start, it will power up that our VMware, and I can access that my Ubuntu inside my Windows. That same thing you guys able to do with that different kind of OS, like Kali Linux, like Oracle Linux, like Windows 10, Mac OS also you can install inside this virtual box. Okay, so that is the concept for that one. I'll show you. See, this is my Ubuntu is currently running. Okay, so this is my Ubuntu, and this Ubuntu is currently running inside my system, and I can access, I can drag and drop that files from my host device to that Windows device. So how can you? So through this one drag and drop options also there. If you select bi-directional, then you can share that your files from your virtual machine to that real machine or host machine. And you can also make that unidirectional connection also. Same thing for that clipboard also, same thing for your folders. If you are trying to create a folder, that folder should be, you can say, man in the middle kind of stuff, then you can do that one. So this is my virtual like machine that is opening inside my Windows 10. So this is my Windows 11, this is my Windows 11, and that is my Ubuntu. Okay, see, I can access that my Ubuntu software from here. Okay, I can open the terminal also. So it is similar like an real machine, but that machine is not installed that in that hardware. It actually installed inside that one OS of that another machine. So this how that thing works there, and that how you guys able to install that your VM machines. That same procedure will be there for Kali Linux and other. Why I choose that Oracle VM box? Because that is a open source kind of stuff. You are not able to purchase from your like own money. But VMware, that is VMware is like one of that good virtual machine. Okay, wait, virtual VMware software. See, VMware software I personally like, that is my favorite software. So VMware software, what is that? Actually that is a paid one. So, and it is more fast and more reliable compared to this virtual machine whatever I am using right now. So it is little bit flaky, but if you are trying to understand that OS, if you are trying to do some networking related stuff, then I think that will be a very good choice, that Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so thanks for watching that video. If you guys have any kind of suggestion, please down in that comment section is always open, and it is free to use. So, and please suggest me what kind of topic you are expect me from that future. So I'll try to make it simplify. Lots of perplexing concepts are there in that IT world, so I'll try to simplify all those and try to elaborate that thing in front of you through video. Okay, so in that next video I'll explain you about Docker, how the Docker works, what is the Docker, how you can play with Docker without you have to install anything in your laptop. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, have a good day.